FTC Team 18183 Rounded Cube, and today we will use science to inflate a balloon. We'll be using an empty plastic bottle, white vinegar, baking soda, and a small spoon. Step 1. Pour a half cup of vinegar into the water bottle. Step 2. Carefully add baking soda into the balloon until it's about a quarter full. Use a funnel if you need to. Step 3. Carefully stretch the neck of the balloon around the neck of the water bottle. Make sure to keep the baking soda away from the vinegar. Step 4. Dump the baking soda into the bottle and watch the balloon grow. When the baking soda mixes with the vinegar, it creates a chemical reaction that releases a gas called carbon dioxide. Because the gas has nowhere to go, it fills up the balloon, causing it to inflate.